So here is the Konica MT-100. So here is the battery compartment. It's using one CR123A battery. Okay, next thing, by pulling here, the back cover will open. So if you want the cross state function, you need to replace the battery at here. Yeah, it's using one CR2025 battery. Okay, so next thing, we load the film by sliding it in. Okay, and we put the film to here. We'll do. Actually, here got the indicator. It will show the film tip. So you just put until here. Then make sure that it's flat, and you just close it. Okay. Next thing, by open it and shift, it will start loading. Yeah. So for now, you can start shooting. So here is the shutter. So here's the setting. This one is backlight. Then this one is night mode and timer. Then this one is the shutter. It's quite simple. Yeah. So when you look into the viewfinder, you find out at the center point there got a circle. So you just use that circle to aim the thing that you want to focus and half press. Okay, wait until the green light light up, then click it. Yeah. When the red light doesn't blink or light up, which means that it won't trigger the flash. Example, I use the light to base on it. Yeah, you see, it won't have the flash. So, which means that it won't have triggered the flash. Yeah. So this is the indicator for flash, and the green light is focus. Yeah. So if yeah, you see, you need to wait for it. Yeah. Then the timer, click it and click a shutter together. Then it will light up. Yeah, you see, which means that it start counting already, the timer. So wait for a while, 10 seconds. Okay, then this one is backlight. Click it and shoot. It will trigger the flash. Yeah. Then this one is night mode. It will be slow shutter speed, and not trigger the flash. Yeah. So if you're using this mode, you need to hold the camera properly or steadily. If you move, the outcome might be blurred. Yeah. And if you didn't use it, you just off it like that. Will do. And here we'll record how many shots you have took. Yeah. So overall it's like this, and when you shoot finish, it will auto rewind. So yeah, no worry in using.